everyone, this is Ashley at the Walnut Ridge Parts Department in Newcastle. Today I want to talk to you guys about some awesome deals we have on our parts. First of all, we have the 30 amp surge protector. This is the full protection, so it does high and low voltage. It's designed to take multiple hits and it will reset itself. That price is at $199. For leveling, we have our Anderson trailer jack blocks. These are amazing, very sturdy. You can actually double stack them if you need to. They also have magnetic strips, so they will attach, and nice finger holds. That is on sale while supplies last for $56.99. Next, we have our vent covers. We have two different kinds, so it depends on what kind of fan you have. If it's a standard fan, then you're going to want to use your Max Air. You can either do it in black and white. White lets light in, black does not. These are on sale for $33.99. If you have a fantastic fan, which is a huge fan inside of your vent, you will need the fan mates. These are on sale for $89. Awesome price. If you guys have any questions, come check us out.